At mixer&pack, we define ourselves as creators of emotions. We are leaders in the integrated development of perfumes and home fragrances for third parties and specialists in turning your brand's personality, philosophy and values into a truly unique fragrance with soul. With an extensive portfolio of brands that already trust us and more than 30 years of experience, at mixer&pack we are at the forefront of both olfactory and design trends. We guarantee exclusivity and excellence in all our work, as well as the technical requirements for every sales channel. At mixer&pack, we know that by striving for excellence in all stages of the process, we develop products that guarantee the success of your projects. The continuously developing and experienced team, as well as the most innovative industrial technologies, our factory creates emotions, helping improve your brand's image and allowing you to connect with your clients and consumers. This is our essence. Mixer&pack, making essences.